Jai Hind everyone. A very good morning to one and all present in this session. Do let me know in the comment section if I am loud, visible, audible. Do let me know in the comment section if I am. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. A very good morning to one and all present in this session. Bataiye, all those who have joined the session, do let me know if you all have joined. Do let me know in the comment section. So this is dot-based non-verbal analogy. Dot-based non-verbal analogy. In FCAT, in your FCAT 0 to 2020 examination, 4 up to around 3 to 4 questions came from this single topic. So there will be only one class for this topic, and from this single topic you can expect 3 to 4 questions or 5 questions also in your FCAT examination. This is the pattern of FCAT examination. From dot based non-verbal, questions are always expected. Clear? So this is a very important topic. So understand this topic very carefully. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, then feel free to ask your doubt after every question. Okay, so let's begin today's session. So let's see today's thought for the day. Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessing, guys. Sometimes we don't value it. Means he cried when he had no shoes, but when he saw a man, he stopped crying when he saw a man without legs who was not even having his leg. So life is full of blessing. Sometimes we don't value it. Whatever we have with us, we must value it. Then we should move forward in life. We should not think that, okay, I don't have this thing, so I can't achieve this thing. We should not think in that manner. Whatever thing you have, whatever problem you have, just go with the flow. Definitely you will succeed. So starting the class with the positive thought of the day, starting with the first question. So what do you need to do? You will be given 30-second time for each question. I am explaining you that what do you need to do in this question. From amongst the figure mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select the figure which satisfy the same condition of the placement of dots as in figure X. So the dots are placed in figure X. So you have to check the figures among 1, 2, 3, 4 in which the dots are placed in same position. So for the first question, if I tell you, so I am starting the timer. You guys try to solve yourself, then I will explain that how to solve this question. 30-second time for this question. Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. Be very quick. Do let me know the correct answer. 5 seconds to go. Tiru is saying 3. Okay, Tiru. So guys, let me tell you that what do we need to do in this kind of questions. हम क्या करते हैं? मान लीजिए this is the figure. Just focus on figure number X first. So see, this is a square. This is a C. Focus on this one. This shaded portion. I am shading it with red color ink. Okay. So this one. This is present between a circle and a square. So this is a square and this is what? This is circle. ठीक है, तो ये सर्कल और स्क्वायर के बीच में प्रेजेंट है. एंड यहाँ पे देखिए this circle, this shaded portion, this is present between circle, triangle and square. So circle, triangle and square. So circle and square, and this one is present between circle, triangle and square. So we need to see something like this in which figure the same case is going on. So see, if we see figure number 4, so check circle and square. We need circle and square, so we can put a dot over here. Circle and square. See, this is the intersection between circle and square only. Only circle and square. Triangle is not present. So this one I can write circle and square, and I need one intersection between circle, triangle and square. So this one will be the point. So circle is also coming, triangle is also coming, square is also coming. It is like Venn diagrams. So if you are clear with the concept of Venn diagram, then you will easily solve it. So circle, triangle and square. So this is the thing which we are getting in figure number 4. So figure number 4 is the correct response. So if we check figure number 3, like you told me. So circle and square, are we getting? No, we are not getting. First option is eliminated. See, circle and square we are not getting. So how can you put circle and square? We can get circle and triangle. That will be over here. So see, if you check over here, like if I put a dot over here, it will be circle, triangle and square. Both will, all the three will come. Okay. So it is not possible, circle and square. I hope this thing is clear. And if you see circle, triangle and square, yes, this is possible, but circle and square is not possible in option number 3. That is why correct answer is option number 4. So option D is the correct response to this question. Try to solve next question. I hope the concepts are clear now. I hope the concepts are clear now. You guys can solve the questions. So try to solve next question. This is question number 2. Be very quick. Your time starts now. Try to solve this question. What should be the correct answer? Thiru is saying 1. Okay, Thiru. So let me check. Is it 1 or some other option? See, so triangle, rectangle. So this is triangle. This one is triangle. And I have one rectangle. I have one square too. This is square. So see, this dot, just focus on this dot. This dot is present between triangle, rectangle and square. So all the three cases are present over here. Triangle, rectangle and square. Let's focus on this dot. This dot is present in rectangle and triangle only. Are you getting my point? Rectangle and triangle only. So this one, this dot is present in circle and square only. Circle and square only. Are you getting? Circle and square. So we need this three cases: rectangle, triangle, triangle, rectangle, square. So if we check the first figure, is this thing possible? Circle and square. Circle and square is possible. Like I can place a dot over here. So this will be circle and square. Next thing what I will do, triangle, rectangle and square. Triangle, rectangle and square. Is it possible? Triangle, square. But rectangle is somewhere far. It is not possible. Triangle and rectangle. Triangle and square is possible, like here. But rectangle is not possible. So this option is wrong. This option is wrong. If we check other figures, like if you check D, see circle and square. Circle and square. You will get circle and square. Then you will get what? Triangle, rectangle and circle. Triangle, rectangle and square. Like triangle, rectangle and square. You will get over here. Just see this portion very carefully. I am putting one dot here. Here is one gap. So this is gap represent triangle, rectangle and square. Triangle, rectangle and square. And what is the other thing? Rectangle and triangle. So this is rectangle and triangle. This is the case of rectangle and triangle. Clear? I hope this one is clear. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. So correct answer to this question is answer option 4. If you check other option, you will not get. Try to check other options. Okay, you will not get. So correct answer is answer option D. I hope this question is clear. Is there any doubt? Moving on to the next question. Try to solve this question. Easy question. Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. What should be the answer? Be very quick. 5 seconds remaining. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. 1, 3. Hero is saying 3. Okay. So see, this dot is present where? It is present in the intersection of circle, triangle, circle and triangle only. Square is not present. So circle and triangle only. So I need a figure like circle and triangle only. So I am getting here. No, I am not getting circle and triangle. I don't get the intersection in option A. So I will check option B. So circle and triangle, I need the intersection. Circle and triangle I am getting. No, I am not getting. I am getting circle, triangle and square. I will check option C. Will I get circle and triangle? Let me check. Yes, yes, yes. I will get circle and triangle over here. So correct answer is answer option C. Correct answer to this question is answer option C. Try to solve next question, that is question number 4. Correct answer is answer option C. Try to solve question number 4. Very good. Your time starts now. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. Waiting for your comments. Do let me know the correct answers. Take your time and do let me know the correct answer. 1. Okay. So this circle, this shaded portion, this is present between where? Circle and square. This portion is present between square and rectangle. This shaded portion is present between triangle and rectangle. Triangle, rectangle and square. So triangle, rectangle and square, this shaded portion. This shaded portion, rectangle, rectangle and square. Okay, square and rectangle I have written over here, and this is present between circle and square. So we need something like this. You are telling A. So let's check circle and square. Am I getting circle and square? Yes, I am getting. So this is circle and square. So square and rectangle. Am I getting square and rectangle? Yes, I am getting. See, this portion, there is one gap present over here. There is one gap present over here. So square and rectangle I will get. I will place the dot over here. I will get square and rectangle. Then I will get triangle, rectangle and square. So triangle, rectangle and square. This dot. Observe this dot very carefully. Triangle, rectangle and square. Clear? Try to solve. So correct answer to this question is answer option A. Answer option A is the correct answer. Clear? Try to solve next question. Be very quick. We have to solve many questions. What should be the correct answer? Question number 5 बताइए. 5 seconds to go. Giving you more time. थोड़ा और टाइम ले लीजिए. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. Do let me know the correct answer. So see, this dot, if you focus on this dot, it is saying 2. Okay. So this dot is present between square. Square is present, circle is present, and a rectangle is present. Square, circle, and rectangle. And this dot is present where? Circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. This dot is present where? Circle, square, triangle. So circle is present, square is also present, triangle is also present. Circle, square, and triangle. So circle and triangle. Thiru is saying, which option did you said? You said B. Okay. So let's check on B. So circle and triangle am I getting? Circle and triangle. Yes, I will get over here. This portion will be circle and triangle. So circle, square, and triangle will I get? Circle, square, and triangle. Circle, square, and triangle will I get? Circle, square, and triangle will I get? Circle, square, triangle. Circle, square, rectangle. Circle, square, rectangle. So circle, square, rectangle I will get. Circle, square, rectangle. So circle, square, rectangle. This portion will be my circle, square, rectangle. Circle, square, rectangle. So circle, square, triangle I have to find. Circle, square, triangle. Where I will get? So circle is there, square is there, triangle should also be there. Okay, I will find it over here. Circle, square, and triangle. Clear? Circle, circle, square, and triangle. So I will find it over here. So 3 dots. So correct answer is option 2 only. Try to solve. Next question. Question number 6. Be very quick. Your time starts now. Easy one. Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. Your time is up. What is the correct answer? बताइए. See, this dot. You are saying 1. This dot is present between triangle and square. So triangle and square के बीच में dot present है. यहाँ पे हम dot लगा सकते हैं. Triangle and square हो जाएगा. Clear? Moving on to the next question. Correct answer is answer option A. 1 is correct. Try to solve next question. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know the correct answer. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. Your time is up. See, this dot is present between circle and square. Circle and square. So Thiru is saying 4. Yes, if you check 4, you will find this dot. Circle and square. Circle and square. Correct answer is answer option 4. Try to solve next question. Question number 8. Your time starts now. Be very quick. Everything is fine. So what should be the correct answer? Do let me know. 2. Okay. 2 should be the correct answer. So let's see what should be. Jaypriya is saying 3. Okay. So see this dot. Where is this dot present? This dot is present in between circle and what? This dot is present only in circle. Only in circle. And this dot is present in circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. Clear. So only circle, circle, triangle. So someone said 2, someone said 3. What should be the correct answer? So let's check with 2. So circle में तो dot हमें मिल गया. अब circle and triangle में मिलेगा. Circle and triangle में नहीं मिलेगा. If I place over here, I will get circle, triangle and square. Let's check answer option C. Circle, I will get a dot over here. This is circle. I need to find circle and triangle also. I need to find circle and triangle also. I will get a dot over here. Circle and triangle. So correct answer is answer option C. Try to solve next question. Question number 9. Be very quick. Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. Do let me know the correct answer. So see, one dot is present over here. This dot. What this dot is representing? Thiru is saying 1. Okay, since this dot is representing circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. Jaypriya is saying 4. So this dot is representing circle, triangle and square. Circle, triangle and square. What is this dot representing? Bridges is saying 1. Okay, this dot is representing circle, square, circle and square only. So we need to find circle and triangle. So if I check in the first answer option, will I get circle and triangle? Yes, I will get circle and triangle. Will I get circle, triangle and square? Circle, triangle and square. Yes, I will get CTS, circle, triangle and square. Will I get circle and square? No, I will not get circle and square. So this is wrong. So I have to check 2, 3 and 4. So if I check 2, circle and square is possible. Circle and square is possible. Circle, triangle, square is possible. Circle, triangle, square is possible. Circle, triangle, square is possible. Circle and triangle is possible. Circle and triangle is not possible over here. You can't make with circle and triangle. So let's check other options. Circle and square is possible. Circle and square is only not possible. So this is wrong. See, circle and square is not possible. You can't make circle and square. So if you check this one, circle and square is possible. Circle and square is possible. This is circle, this is square. So circle, triangle, square is possible. Circle, triangle and square is possible. This one, circle, triangle and square, intersection of circle, triangle and square. So circle and triangle is possible. Circle and triangle we need to see. Yes, circle and triangle is also possible. So correct answer is answer option 4. Circle and triangle. Correct answer is answer option 4. I hope this question is clear to everyone. I hope everyone understood. If there is any doubt, then feel free to ask your doubts. Moving on to the next question. Try to solve this question. Be very quick. Question number 10. What should be the correct answer? A, B, C or D? Do let me know. Thiru is saying 2. Okay. So I have got one answer as 2. I've got one answer as 1. I've got one answer as 1. Okay, so two answer as 1 and one answer as 2. So let's check what should be the correct answer. This is the figure X. So see, circle and triangle. This dot is present in circle and triangle. This dot is present in. Where is this dot present? Triangle and square. Triangle and square. So let's check answer option 1. So circle and triangle, am I getting? Yes, I am getting circle and triangle. So am I getting triangle and square? Triangle and square. Yes, I am getting. I am getting in answer option 1 only. I am getting in answer option 1 only. Triangle and square. So correct answer is answer option 1. No need to check other options. No need to check other options. Try to solve question number 11. Be very quick. Just observe the figures very carefully and you will get the correct answer. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. 5 seconds to go. I will give you 60-second time for this question. Brijesh is saying 1, 11, 1. Okay, do let me know the correct answer, guys. 5 seconds to go. Okay, your time is up. Your time is up. So see, starting with this dot, I have got only one answer. I have got only one answer. Okay, so this dot is present in between triangle, rectangle, triangle and rectangle only. Triangle and rectangle. Jaypriya is also saying 1. So this dot is present between circle, rectangle and square. Circle, rectangle, triangle and square. Circle, rectangle, triangle and square. So this is the intersection between square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. So let's see. So you guys are saying answer option 1. Okay, so let's check with answer option 1 only. So square and rectangle, am I getting? Square and rectangle I am getting over here. So this is my square and this is my rectangle. Then I need to find triangle and rectangle. So triangle and rectangle also I am getting. I need to find others. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. So circle, rectangle, triangle, square I will get over here. So this is this dot. Check this dot very carefully. This dot is the intersection of circle also, rectangle also, triangle also, and square also. Circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. Clear? So correct answer is answer option 1. Try to solve next question. Question number 12. Be very quick. Try to solve this question. Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. What should be the correct answer? 12, 1. Okay. One. Tiru is also saying 1. Your time is up. Okay. You all are saying 1. So 1 must be the correct answer. Let's see. So first dot. First dot is present in between circle, square, and triangle. Circle, square, and triangle. Second dot, circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. Third dot, सर्कल, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल। क्लियर? अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट। सो हम चेक करेंगे, यू गाइज आर सेइंग वन, सो टू आंसर फॉर वन एंड वन आंसर फॉर थ्री। सो फर्स्ट आई विल चेक वन. Okay, so I need to find circle, square and triangle. So circle, square and triangle, circle, square and triangle I'm getting over here. Circle, square and triangle, circle and triangle am I getting? Yes, I am getting circle and triangle also. I need to find circle, triangle and rectangle. Circle, triangle and rectangle. Where can I find out? Circle, triangle and rectangle. Am I getting anywhere in 12? No, I'm not getting. I'm not getting. This thing is not possible. Circle, triangle, rectangle. So we will check answer option 3. So let's check answer option 3. Circle, square and triangle. Circle, square and triangle. This is possible. Circle, square and triangle. Let's check circle and triangle. Circle and triangle is also possible. Circle and triangle. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Possible. So all the three things are possible. So correct answer is answer option 3. Answer option 3 is the correct answer. Clear? It is not A. Why? Circle, triangle and rectangle is not possible in A. While circle and triangle is possible, circle, square and triangle is possible. This thing is not possible. You can't make circle, triangle and rectangle over here. Try to solve next question. Your time starts now. Question number 13. What should be the correct answer? Any answers? Any answers? Do let me know the answers. So this is figure X. So if we see this dot is present between circle and triangle. So Tiru is saying 3, 3. So do mention the question number also when you are answering. So 13, 1. Okay. So this is present between circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. This is present between triangle and square. Circle and triangle, triangle and square. Okay. So let's take answer option A. Circle and triangle I am getting over here. Circle and triangle. Triangle and square am I getting? Triangle and square. Yes, I am getting over here. Triangle and square. Correct answer is answer option A. Correct answer is answer option 1. So do mention the question number also in the comment section, like this is question number 13. So you write 13 comma 1 or 13 bracket 1 or 13 1, whatever you can write. 13 comma 1 I will understand, or 13 dash 1. So try to solve this question. 14. Question number 14. This topic is very important, guys, as many questions were asked. 3 to 4 questions were asked in FCAT 02 2020 examination, and this is the pattern of FCAT. They usually ask question from this topic. So this is a easy topic. So you can score 100% in reasoning. Just focus on the classes. So classes का ही करेंगे तो आपका स्कोर अच्छा रहेगा. 14-2. Okay. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know, guys. So ये डॉट अगर हम चेक करें तो ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? सर्कल एंड स्क्वायर के बीच में है. ये डॉट कहाँ पे है? सर्कल, ट्रायंगल एंड स्क्वायर के बीच में है. सर्कल, ट्रायंगल एंड स्क्वायर. दिस डॉट सर्कल एंड ट्रायंगल. This dot is present between circle and triangle. So क्या होगा? Do let me know the correct answer. Okay, 14-2, 14-2. Okay, so let's check with 2 only. You guys are telling 2, so 2 must be the correct answer. Circle and square. So circle and square am I getting? Circle and square. Yes, I am getting circle and square. Circle, triangle and square am I getting? Circle, triangle and square. Yes, I am getting circle, triangle and square. Am I getting circle and triangle? Yes, I am getting circle and triangle over here. So correct answer is answer option 2. Answer option 2 is correct. You don't need to check any other answer option. Correct answer is answer option B. Try to solve next question. Question number 15. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. Your time is up. Do let me know the correct answer. Waiting for your comments. So this dot is present between 15, 4, 15, 4. Okay. So triangle and square 15, 4. Okay. So this dot is present between triangle, intersection of circle, square and triangle, circle, square and triangle. So let's check with 4 only. You guys are telling 4. So circle, triangle and square. Triangle and square. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Triangle and square. So circle, square and triangle. Circle, square and triangle. Yes, it's possible. Circle, square and triangle. This dot is the intersection of circle, square and triangle. So correct answer is answer option 4. I hope everyone is getting the question. Try to solve question number 16. Your time starts now. Be very quick. 5 seconds to go. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. Do let me know the correct answer. I am waiting for your comments. 16, 3. Okay. So this dot is present between circle and square. If you see this dot is present between circle, then rectangle, and circle, rectangle, and square. Circle, rectangle, and square. This dot is present between square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, and rectangle. So what answer you all are giving? Do let me know. So you are giving C, D, what you are giving? Okay, 16, 3 you are giving. So let's check 3 only. So circle, rectangle and square. Am I getting? Circle, rectangle, square. Yes, I will get over here. Circle, rectangle, square. Circle, rectangle and square. Square, triangle, rectangle. Am I getting square, triangle, rectangle? Yes, I will get over here. Square, triangle and rectangle. This is the intersection. Square, triangle, rectangle. Am I getting circle and square? Circle and square. Yes, I am getting. Circle and square also I am getting. So correct answer is answer option 3. Answer option 3 is the correct response. So moving on to the next question. Try to solve question number 17. Be very quick. Be very quick, everyone. Do let me know the correct answer. Your time is up. What should be the correct answer? So if you check this dot, 1, okay, 17, 1, write answers like this, 17 dash 1, then I will be able to understand. Or whatever is the question number, this is the question number, and this is your answer option. This is your answer. Write, type like this, I will be able to understand. So circle, triangle and rectangle, this dot represent circle, triangle and rectangle. What does this dot represent? Circle, square, triangle and rectangle. So this is the intersection of all the 4. circle, square, triangle and rectangle. Okay, 17 2, 17 1. I have got other answers. 17 1, 17 2 also. So this dot represent circle, square and rectangle. Circle, square and rectangle. Clear? So we need, let's check one first. Let's check one. So circle, square and rectangle. Am I getting circle, square and rectangle? Is it possible? Circle, square and rectangle. Yes, it's possible. Here I will place a dot over here. Circle, square and rectangle. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Will I get circle, square, triangle, rectangle? I will get over here. One dot over here. Circle, square, triangle and rectangle. So circle, triangle, rectangle. Circle, triangle and rectangle. Will I get? No, I will not get circle, triangle and rectangle. I will never get that because square is also coming. I will never get in answer option 1. So let's check answer option 2. Because square is also coming, I will never get circle, triangle and rectangle. So circle, square and rectangle. Circle, square and rectangle. Yes, I am getting over here. Circle, square and rectangle. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Where am I getting? Circle, triangle and rectangle. Am I getting anywhere? Circle, triangle, rectangle. Circle, triangle, rectangle. Yes, I am getting over here. Circle is also there, triangle is also there, rectangle is also there. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. So circle, square, triangle, rectangle I will get over here. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Correct answer is answer option 2. Clear? I hope it is clear. I hope it is. Try to solve next question. Question number 18. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Be very quick, everyone. What should be the correct answer? बताइए guys. और टाइम चाहिए तो और दे दूंगा, लेकिन सही आंसर बताइए, सोच के बताइए. एग्जाम में आपको गलती नहीं करना है, भले आप क्लास में गलती कर रहा है, बट यू डोंट commit mistake during your examination. Okay, 2. Hiru is saying 2. Okay. Okay, 2. One more answer, 2. Your time is up. What should be the correct answer? So you all are telling 2, so I will check with 2 only first. So first of all, let's see. This dot is present only in rectangle. This dot is present where? It is the intersection of circle and triangle, CT. This dot is the intersection of circle, square and triangle. So circle, square and triangle. So circle and triangle. So पहले मैं 2 ही चेक करता हूँ, आप लोग 2 बोल रहे हैं. So circle and triangle. Okay, everyone is telling 2. So 2 must be the correct answer. So circle and triangle I will check. Circle and triangle. Am I getting? Yes, I am getting over here. Just check over here. Circle and triangle. Rectangle am I getting? Yes, rectangle I will get. This is our rectangle. So circle, square and triangle I need to find out. Circle, square and triangle I will get over here. This is the intersection. Clear guys? So these questions are clear to you. I hope these questions are clear. So correct answer is answer option B. Correct answer is answer option B. Many students face difficulty in understanding the questions on dot based non-verbal analogy. So questions are very important for your FCAT as well as for your OIR. So FCAT is the starting. It is the first step This is your second step. Okay. So it is important for your OIR too. So reasoning series is important for all the defense examination. Clear? So try to solve this question. Question number 19. बताइए, what should be the correct answer? Do let me know the correct answer. Nineteen two. Okay, very good. Your time is up. Okay. 19.2. Very good, very good. So this dot 19.2. Very good, guys. So you all are giving the correct answers. So this dot is present between circle, triangle, and square. This is the intersection of circle, triangle, and square. So let's check two only. So will I get circle, triangle, and square? So if I place a dot over here, I will get circle, triangle, and square. ठीक है, मुझे मिल गया सर्कल ट्रायंगल एंड स्क्वायर. क्लियर है? करेक्ट आंसर इज आंसर ऑप्शन 2. ट्राई टू सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अरे क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 ही कहाँ चला गया? ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 ही सॉल्व कीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 कहीं चला गया है. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Question number 20 is missing. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. I'm waiting for your comments. So this dot is present in only circle. 21 1. Okay. So this dot is present in circle, triangle, and square. 21 1. Okay. Circle, triangle, and square. Just a minute. So where is this dot present? So this dot is present circle, and which portion is this? What is this portion? Circle and square. Okay. So if you check answer option 1, so you all are telling answer option 1. So let's check. Circle is possible. Circle is possible. Circle, triangle, square. Is it possible? Circle, triangle, square is also possible. Circle, triangle, square is possible. Circle and square is also possible. So correct answer is answer option A only. Answer option A is the correct response. Try to solve question number 22. Be very quick. Twenty-two 1. Okay. Any other answers? So this is present between circle and rectangle. This is present between circle, square, and triangle. 22 4. Circle, square, and triangle. So 22 1 I will check first. Circle and rectangle. Is it possible? Circle and rectangle. 22 4. Okay, circle and rectangle is not possible. See, so if you place a dot over here, you will get circle, rectangle, and triangle. So this is the intersection. Circle, rectangle, and triangle. So if you check circle, square and triangle, is it possible? Circle, square and triangle is possible, but the second case is not possible. So let's check answer option 4. So circle and rectangle is possible. Circle and rectangle, is it possible? Circle and rectangle, yes, it's possible. Circle, square and triangle, is it possible? Circle, square and triangle, yes, it is possible over here. Circle, square and triangle. So correct answer is answer option 4 only. Try to solve next question. Your time starts now. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know the correct answer in the comment section. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. 23 2. Okay, 23 2. 23 2. So circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. 23 2. This is circle and square. Circle and square. Okay. Slight disturbing. So my brother's classes goes on this Microsoft team. So his class notification is coming. Okay. So not an issue. Circle and triangle. So circle and triangle. Okay, let's check 2. Circle and triangle. This is circle and triangle. So circle and square. Okay. Circle and square. We need to find circle and square. Okay. Circle and square. So correct answer is answer option 2 only. Try to solve question number 24. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. What should be the correct answer? This dot is only present in triangle. This dot is only present in square. 24 1. Okay, noted. 24 1. This dot is only present in square. This dot is present in circle and square. Circle and square. So 24 1. Okay, so let's check 1. So a dot is present in triangle. A dot can be present in triangle. A dot can be present in square. A dot can be present in circle and square. Circle and square. Yes, circle and square. Circle and square. Okay, so correct answer is answer option 1. Try to solve next question. Question number 25. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Your time is up. 25 1. Okay, notify 1. See, a dot is present in square. A dot is present in square. A dot is present in intersection of square and triangle. A dot is present in intersection of 25. 25 is 3. Okay, 3. Dot is present in intersection of circle and triangle. So square. So let's check 1. लेट्स चेक वन. सो स्क्वायर में एक डॉट है, स्क्वायर में एक डॉट हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ पे अगर प्लेस करेंगे तो स्क्वायर एंड सर्कल, यहाँ पे प्लेस करेंगे तो स्क्वायर एंड ट्रायंगल, यहाँ अगर प्लेस करते हैं तो नहीं होगा. सो 25 का 3 चेक करते हैं. सो स्क्वायर में डॉट कैन बी प्रेजेंट, यस दिस इज स्क्वायर, this is square. Can we place other dots? Square and triangle, square and triangle. Yes, I can place square and triangle. Can I place other dots? Circle and triangle, circle and triangle. Will I get? Yes, I will get circle and triangle. So correct answer is answer option C only, 3 only. Try to solve next question, question number 26. Be very quick. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. 26-3. Okay, very good. 26-3. Very good, guys. Very good. 26-3. So this dot is present in between 26-3. Very good. Triangle and square. This dot is present in between where? Circle, triangle, circle and triangle. ठीक है. So 3 ही चेक करते हैं आप लोग जब 3 बोल रहे हैं. So triangle and square. Triangle and square I will get over here. So this is my triangle and square. Will I get circle and triangle? Circle and triangle. Yes, I will get. So correct answer is answer option 3. So these questions are very easy. Try to solve question number 26. Very good everyone. Keep it up. Question number 27. Do let me know the correct answer. The figure is a bit complicated. I will give you 60 seconds time for this question. You can solve in 30 seconds too. If you can, then you are master in reasoning. What should be the correct answer? 27-3. Okay. Your time is up. See, this dot is present in the intersection of circle and rectangle. This dot is present in the intersection of circle, square, circle and square. Circle and square only, and rectangle also. Circle, square, rectangle. Jaypriya is saying 4. Brijesh is also saying 4. Okay, 27-4. Everyone is telling 4. And someone said 3 also. Okay, we will check. So this dot is present in between circle, square, triangle. Circle, square and triangle. So circle and rectangle. Let's check with D. Let's check with 4. So circle and rectangle, am I getting? Yes, I will get circle and rectangle. Will I get circle, square and rectangle? Circle, square and rectangle. Will I get circle, square and rectangle? I am getting circle, square and rectangle. Will I get what is this? Circle, square and triangle. This is circle. Circle, square and triangle. Will I get circle, square and triangle? Yes, I will get over here. Circle, square and triangle. So correct answer is answer option 4 only, not 3. Why not 3? Circle and rectangle, am I getting? Circle and rectangle, yes I am getting. Circle and rectangle. Circle, square, rectangle, am I getting? Circle, square, rectangle is not possible. Circle, square, rectangle is not possible. There is no such intersection. That is why it is wrong. Try to solve question number 28. Be very quick. Three questions left for today's class. Be very quick, everyone. Your time is up. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know. 28.3. Okay, very good. Noted. 28.3. So this dot is present only in circle. So 28.3, 28.3. Everyone is giving 28.3. So this is present in between circle and triangle. This dot is present in between circle and square. सर्कल एंड स्क्वायर के बीच में ये डॉट है 28.3. एवरीवन इज गिविंग 28.3. सो लेट्स चेक विथ 3 ओनली. So circle. So can I find a dot over here? Yes, this is circle. Circle and triangle. Circle and triangle I will get over here. Circle and triangle. What else? Circle and square. Circle and square I will get over here. Circle and square. So correct answer is answer option 3 only. Very good everyone. Just keep the same jaws. Try to solve question number 29. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know everyone. Five seconds to go. Your time is up. Do let me know the correct answer. See, this dot is present in between triangle and rectangle. Triangle and rectangle. This dot is present in between circle and rectangle. 29.4. Okay. Circle and rectangle. This dot is present in between circle and square. Circle and square. So 29.4, 29.4. Okay, okay. Everyone is telling 4. So 29.4. Let's check 4. Option number 4 only first. So circle and square. Circle and square. Am I getting over here? Circle and square. Am I getting triangle and rectangle? So triangle and rectangle I will get over here. Triangle and rectangle. So circle and rectangle I will get. Circle and rectangle I will get. Clear? Circle and rectangle. So correct answer is answer option 4 only. Very good everyone. So we have come to the end of the class. So this is the last question of today's class. Try to solve this question, then we will wind up today's session. Try to solve this question everyone. Question number 30. What should be the correct answer? Do let me know the correct answer everyone. What should be the correct answer? 33. Okay, noted. 33. 31. Okay, noted. What else? This dot is present in between triangle and square. This dot is present in between circle and triangle. Circle and triangle. 31. Okay. 31, 33. So triangle and rectangle. Okay. So let's check with one only. Let's check with one only first. So am I getting square and triangle? Square and triangle I am getting over here. So this is my square, this is my triangle. Circle and triangle am I getting? Yes, I am getting circle and triangle over here. Circle and triangle. Am I getting triangle and rectangle? Yes, I am getting triangle and rectangle also. So correct answer is answer option 1 only. Answer option 1 is the correct answer. Why 3 is not correct? Let's check 3. Triangle and square. Am I getting triangle and square? No, this is not the case, guys. This is not the case. Why this is not triangle and square? This is triangle, square, and circle also. Circle is also present from outside. Circle, square, and triangle. This is triangle, square, and circle. This is not only triangle and square. Clear? Just keep these things in mind. So circle and triangle am I getting? No, I am not getting. So this cannot be correct answer. What I am checking? I am checking 4. I should check 3. Okay. Just a minute. So triangle and square. Am I getting triangle and square? Yes, I am getting triangle and square. Am I getting circle and triangle? Circle and triangle. No, I am not getting circle and triangle. Circle and triangle is not possible. So I will not check this answer option. Clear? So correct answer is answer option A. So we have come to the end of the class. So keep practicing question, guys. Keep attending the live session. Keep attending the live sessions. So practice set for reasoning. We are starting practice sets for reasoning 6 p.m. from 6 p.m. on YouTube. So kindly be present from 6 p.m. Kindly be present at 6 p.m. We are starting the practice set for reasoning at 6 p.m. every day. So we will cover 10 practice sets. 10 practice sets. So it will include previous year questions too. Previous years questions too. So your topic, your syllabus is almost completed. Your syllabus for reasoning is almost completed. Almost